This is CPM Precalculus, Chapter 1, number 81. So here we're asked to find the perpendicular bisector of segment AB for A is 2, 9 and B is 8, -3. Okay, so perpendicular, we know that means they intersect at 90 degrees. Bisector of a segment means if our segment is AB like this, we find the midpoint, right? And that means it bisects or intersects AB at the midpoint. Okay. So we're looking for the perpendicular bisector, so we want the line that intersects or bisects at the midpoint of AB. Okay, so let's do this. First, let's start off and plot these points. So we have 2, 9 and 8, -3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2, 9 is around here, right? And 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's our x-axis, y-axis, -3. A, -3 is around there. Okay, so this is A, 2, 9, and it connects to B, 8, -3. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to find the midpoint, right? The midpoint is going to cut this in half, right? So the midpoint we know is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, it's a point, y1 plus y2 divided by 2, and that's equal to, well, which one's 1, which one's 2? Here it doesn't matter, so let's just say that's 1 and this is 0.2. So the x value in 0.1 is 2 plus the x value in 0.2 is 8 divided by 2, comma, the y value from 0.1, x comma y, so 9, plus the y value from 0.2 is -3 divided by 2. Simplify that, we get 10 divided by 2 is 5, comma, 9 minus 3 is 6, divided by 2 is 3. So we know the midpoint is at 5, 3. Okay, so that helps us with the midpoint. So we want to get now, remember, we want to get the line right here that passes through our point, right, 5, 3. So this is our point. Well, to get this line, we need to have, what do we need to write the equation for a line? Well, we need a point and a slope. Well, what is the slope of this line? What is the slope? Slope. Well, we know that this line that we're looking for, our perpendicular bisector, well, it's perpendicular because it is going to intersect AB at 90-degree angles, right? So all around here, these are all 90-degree angles. So also, what do we know? If they're perpendicular, AB is perpendicular to our line here, then the slopes are going to be what? Slopes are negative reciprocals, right? So if we know the slope of AB, then we know the slope of our perpendicular bisector is just -1 divided by m. If AB has slope m, so if AB has slope m, then we know because it's a perpendicular bisector, then our new line has slope -1 over m, the negative reciprocal. Okay, so what is the slope of AB? So what is the slope of AB? Slope of AB, we know the slope is the change in y over the change in x, the rise over the run, which is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, right? And we have 2 points. We already said this is 1 and this is 2. We could choose this be 1, this be 2, it doesn't matter. Y from point 2 is -3. Y from point 1 is 9. So -3 minus 9 divided by x from point 2 is 8, minus x from point 1 is 2. So we get negative 12 divided by 6, which is negative 2. Okay, so that's the slope, right? This is the slope of our segment AB. So that means our perpendicular bisector, right? That means the slope of our perpendicular line is going to be the negative reciprocal. So the negative, so since this is negative, it makes it positive, 1 over 2. Okay, so now we have the slope right here, and again we have the point, and we just need to get the equation of the line. So we can use the point slope form, and that is y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. Okay, here is our point, so that's x1 comma y1, and here is our slope m. So let's plug those in. Y minus 3 equals to 1/2 x minus 5. Okay, and so this is the equation of the perpendicular bisector of our segment AB. So this is the answer. Okay, this ends pre-calculus from CPM Chapter 1, number 81.